What's going on, everybody? Titan Pressure Washing here. We just finished sealing this beautiful travertine lanai back here, about 1,200 square feet. I've got a nice little area out here, and this is a home that we came out and did earlier in the year, about 3 months ago, and we came in and pressure washed everything off again just to make sure it's all nice and clean. And came out here, excuse me, while I walk down through here, and you can kind of see it's still wet up underneath there, but the rest of it will dry clear. This is our hydrophobic sealer that we use. It's a great product. Takes about 2 hours to apply. Once everything's cleaned up, it's actually really comes out really nice. It doesn't change the actual natural color, just makes it waterproof. It's slip resistant. You can see we got all the way around, did all the coping around the pool, did the outside of the pool, which is kind of hard to see because the netting is still in place. Yeah, it came out really well. Very pleased with how it came out. Oh, they're gonna love this. They're always out here. They got pool toys, they got younger kids. They're always out here, and they are enjoying their pool, and they hate to have to keep trying to clean it themselves. So this will prevent that from actually happening. All they got to do, if they spill wine or anything on it now, or hamburger takes a dive, whatever the case may be, they can just pick it up, wipe it off with a napkin, and then spray it down with a hose, and no staining. This is what's great for clients that have travertine like this around the lanai by the pool. Yeah, it just turns out to be really nice for them. So anyway, we've been here about 4 hours. We had to wait for this lanai to dry out before we could seal it. So center part's drying now, and we're out here in Trey Bell, which is in Stuart, Florida. We just finished the project. Looks great. I'm happy with it. Client's gonna love the work that we just did. It'll be nice and sealed. My family can come out and enjoy this lanai area here with all the travertine and not have to worry about mold and mildew. And then, you know, the dogs, they've got a couple dogs out here. I don't have to worry about the dogs tracking mud on and having to deal with that. But anyway, just showing you a little bit of what we do here at Titan Pressure Washing. Check us out on our website, Titan Pressure Washing PW, or it's titanpw.com is our website, and then titanpressurewashing.fl is our YouTube channel. Come check us out, guys. Till next time.
New pressure washing companies are popping up everywhere. Don't hire amateurs to pressure wash your home or business. To look the best, hire the best. With over 12 years of experience, Titan Pressure Washing of Stuart, Florida specializes in pressure washing, soft washing, and roof concrete and paver sealing services for both commercial and residential customers. Veteran owned and operated and fully insured. Our unique deep clean restores the natural color of your roof while avoiding damage caused by incorrect pressure, chemicals, and equipment. We go the extra step to also protect your landscaping. Have your property clean with professional commercial grade equipment and hot wash for deeper, longer results. Our sealing products are all green and can save homeowners thousands of dollars in just a few years. We clean and seal roofs, driveways, building exteriors, pool decks, sidewalks, parking lots, docks, decks, patios, and more. Call now for a free estimate, 772-245-0402, or visit TitanPW.com. Experience the Titan difference today.
Why don't we call Titan Pressure Washing? They're the talk of the town. They'll wash and seal your home from the roof to the ground. Father gonna have his deck sparkle and sheen. Mama never seen a patio look so clean. We call you back, we show up at your office or your home. In fact, we act polite, we do it right. The job is done, you'll sleep at night. We're Titan
Pressure Washing, Stuart, Florida.